Hey there, amigos. Welcome to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. We're diving into the world of timepieces, and I can't wait to share this extraordinary piece with you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exclusive content. Let's get started. Feast your eyes on this beauty. It's the Tommy Hilfiger watch that's been making waves in the fashion world. Now, let me break down why this timepiece is an absolute game changer. First things first, take a look at that mesmerizing navy blue matte dial. It's not just a watch, it's a statement piece. The sunray effect adds a touch of elegance that's hard to ignore. And here's the kicker, it doesn't just tell the time. Nope, it goes the extra mile with the day and date function. Say goodbye to forgetting important appointments or anniversaries. Now let's talk about the strap. This watch comes with a navy blue silicone strap that's inspired by racing stripes. It's not only comfortable, but also exudes a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual, this watch will be your perfect companion. Worried about water resistance? Well, you shouldn't be. This Tommy Hilfiger timepiece boasts an impressive 5 ATM, which means it can withstand up to 50 meters of water pressure. Whether you're caught in the rain or decide to take a dip in the pool, your watch has got you covered. And let's not forget about the thickness of the case, which is a sleek 12.2 mm. It's not bulky, making it suitable for any wrist size or outfit. You can wear it comfortably under your shirt cuff or proudly display it as a fashion statement. Oh, and did I mention the subdials? They're not just for show, they're functional too. They add a touch of complexity to the watch's design, making it even more appealing. So here's the deal. This Tommy Hilfiger watch is not just a timekeeping device. It's an elegant accessory that can elevate your style on any occasion. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for that perfect gift, this is it. To make it yours, simply click the Amazon link in the description box below. It's quick, it's easy, and it's worth it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more fantastic finds like this one. Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember, life is too short for an ordinary watch. You deserve the extraordinary. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy shopping, amigos!